Hello, Mommy.
Hi, baby.
What are we gonna do today?
Today, I'm gonna recreate your spring bunny cake.
Nice.
For all the little quarantine children who want to celebrate Easter. And they say, Mommy, Daddy, can we make a bunny cake? We're gonna show you how to do it. We have our cake and some accessories. We have our frosting in the piping bag. We have our plate, we have our knife, we have our, what do you call this?
An offset spatula.
An offset spatula.
I don't know. Oh, if you haven't done so yet.
If you haven't done so yet, hopefully a subscribe button is going to be here somewhere.
Don't forget to press on the notification bell while you're there, right, Jaguar?
Hi, Scoopy.
What's the...
Let me see what we have to do.
I have the smart idea of flipping it over and letting it crack.
You have to cut it in half first, right?
You don't have to do that.
Well, you should take it out the pan first.
Okay, take it out the pan. It's a little stuck.
It's not stuck. Just use some...
Oh.
Surprise!
Oh,
Ta-da!
silicone.
Yes.
Always use silicone at the bottom of your cakes, everybody. We're going to cut it in half. Hopefully my halves will be even. You took it and like that. And my bunny's going to be a little afflicted. To cut some off of this. I'll cut a little bit off to make it more even. So the next step would be...
Some buttercream on one side and sandwich your cake together.
Oh! I'm supposed to put buttercream on the inside?
Yeah. A little smear just to stick it together,
Okay.
Because it's quarantined out here and we're low on frosting.
Yeah, I heard that. Alright. This is my first time making anything from one of your videos.
Yeah, I was
so
gonna
this will be
say,
fun.
what is your cake decorating and baking experience?
I used to bake when we were still eating that stuff, but I never decorated. I just frosted cakes and moved on with my life. Okay, so we put this on here like this, is that it?
Hot water to dip my spatula in to melt down the buttercream since it's so moist and delicious and it wants to break apart on me. I had just baked it fresh, so it's a little bit crumbly.
Okay, so we're going to creme coat the whole cake. And that's just the creme coat you taught me is just like a light coating, right? You keep the crumbs from
That is correct.
doing whatever they do. Is that it?
That's correct.
Okay. So you just smear it all over, and when you do it, it's a lot faster, a lot quicker, of course, than when I do it because you're a chef and I am not.
You can rotate your plate. You want to keep the spatula on the cake and do a rocking motion, and that way it'll go on really smooth. Kind of like that. You have more than enough frosting though.
I have more than enough.
Yeah, you have plenty. Usually with crumb coats, you can still see through. Just use the whole spatula.
Oh.
There you go.
There I go. Just trying to be nice to me now.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
You changed up the game for
I
a
did?
second there. You want to know how I would do it?
You look like you want to take over.
I know. It's not my video.
I'm doing it this time. You want to show me, right?
No, I'm not going to touch anything. But MarishasCoutureCakes videos usually show you how to crumb coat.
Put it in the freezer?
Or the refrigerator. Yep.
Okay. How long is it going to take?
10 minutes until your buttercream is hardened.
Oh, sounds like an answer.
People always want to ask questions without just
I know.
the answers right there. See you guys when we come back. We had our cake in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Alright, we're going to cut out a small notch. Cut out the back of the bunny's head, he said. Alright, so it looks like you just went like this. And then I'm guessing you met it this way. Am I right?
If that's what you saw in the video.
That's what I think I saw in the video.
It's just a little bit tacky because it was refrigerated.
Oh, okay. You know, I'm sure other people are better at following instructions than I am too. I don't usually follow. Like a crumb coat, right? Yeah, okay. Type small stars all around the cake. Okay, this is so cute. This tip, this just holds everything in, huh?
Yeah, just a cover.
How in the world do you get that off?
Just pull.
Oh.
We're using tip number 32.
Here we go. I haven't piped in years, y'all. Oops, nothing's coming out. Do you hold it with two hands when you do it?
No. At first I probably would, but the more you go, it'll be easier because the bag will be less full.
Well, they look like little stars at least. It looks like a car. Doesn't it look like a car?
Yeah, kind of. Like a little hoopty.
Yeah. Put some wheels and a windshield on there.
And you're ready to go?
I'm ready to roll, baby.
I forgot the most important part.
What's that?
Your bunny ears.
Oh.
I alcoholed it and everything.
Good, because
I wiped it down.
We don't want
That's cute.
I have to pipe the whole bunny cake with little stars. No idea.
You have no idea what.
What I'm doing. My poor bunny is gonna be, I don't know. And yeah, this is rough because my hands already are tired.
Let me show you how to hold it now.
Like this?
Yep, split your bag in half and twist it where it's split in half. All that strength that you have in your hand can go towards that little bit of frosting. Hold it like a real grasp so that you're not just putting all this tension onto your fingers. Use your whole hand, your whole palm. Yeah, and then just squeeze like that. That's better.
Yeah, that's less work.
Mm-hmm.
Well, they're a little pointy, but they have a little more definition when I do it like that. Looks awkward, right?
Well, it's because you got your elbow like bam.
I'm working.
You're moving pretty fast now,
I'm
girlfriend.
trying. I don't like to play around.
No, that's right. Can you tell off the rip which is the front and which is the back?
Off the rib?
Off the rip, like can you just tell right away that
What's
like,
off the rib?
you know, like right away, like off the jump. Did I just make that up? I don't think I just made that up. Off the rip. That's the thing. Mom, that's the thing. I'll Google it.
Thing.
And it's old school too. Off the rip.
Okay. Tail is telling me that that's the
Oh
back.
yeah, that's
Thank
right.
Goodness, because
We're gonna Google
you messed
it.
me up. Now my stars are coming out like rip.
No. What was that lonely star for?
Where?
There's a lonely star on a lonely plate. Off the rip.
Okay, how many times you say it?
Yeah. It's gonna ring a bell. One of these beats.
It's not a thing.
Off the rip. Hey, Lonnie.
Hey.
I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
Off the rip, can you think of 5?
Thank you. Thank you.
No, off the rip. Can you think of 5 Wesley Snipes movies?
Display.
No, go back to off the rip.
Off the rip.
Reese
What?
swears off the rip is a saying, and I've never heard anybody say off the rip.
I've heard it. It's just old
Yes,
to me.
it's
Like
old.
from the 80s or whatever.
Exactly. That's what I told
How did I miss
Mommy.
that?
Huh? I don't know. You were doing other stuff in the 80s.
I was off
You
the
were in
rip.
church.
I was definitely in church.
Yeah, off the rip. It was like 80s, 90s.
Really?
Yeah.
Early 90s. But I haven't heard anybody say it in like 15, 20 years.
Well, I've never heard anybody say it.
Well, where did I come from?
Okay, so that's Tarisha's.
I used it right.
She won. She won that one.
You are closing in. I was literally piping for like 25 minutes.
Well,
of
you
my
were
life.
doing a much better job than I'm doing, that's for sure.
I don't know, Mama Sita.
I'm just going, yeah, yours are more
All right.
precise. They look better.
Well, it's going to be cute regardless. That's what I like about this cake. It's for
Oh.
everybody.
Nice.
Here's your knife.
So we're going to cut the marshmallow.
Sorry, I totally handed that to you the wrong way.
Yeah. You said in half 3 ways. That doesn't make sense.
I
to
did
me.
not say in half 3 ways.
All right.
For all the babies that
This
we
marshmallow is
What?
tough.
Because you had it sitting out since yesterday. They got stale.
All right.
But that
so
should make it easier.
But yours look like 3. I don't understand.
Yes.
That. I can't tell, but I'm guessing. Is that one a diagonal?
That's not a diagonal. That's not a diagonal.
I don't. That's what I'm saying. I can't tell.
Put it down on the table.
On the table.
And now let's see, what's the diagonal?
This way.
Yes.
So like a triangle.
Yes.
That's cute. and stick it up here like that, right?
That looks adorable.
They look like bunny ears now. Oh, that's cute. Poor little bunny is pigeon-toed, but the bunny does have feet.
I did cut that shorter in the video
Yeah.
because they look like rat's feet. Did you cut yours shorter?
No.
Okay.
I got scratched by a bunny one time.
Oh, that was a bad situation.
So I know.
Yeah,
okay?
man, those things are like
It's white
little
me like a
lion's
cat.
claws. Yeah, you were bleeding. All right,
Like, no,
let's-
you didn't.
At the bottom of the face, and that's
It's
the
a
nose.
pink jelly
Then
bean.
I realized that the eyes going.
I did not put my jelly bean there. A little later.
Well, yours
Now
is done by a professional.
No, it's not. Now we don't have black jelly beans, but we have
Purple.
green, we have purple, we have red
So I
to make it
can
look
cut-
like it's a lab bunny.
Cut it. I don't want a lab bunny. April is my birth month. So, pretty soon, I have a birthday coming up. I'm an Easter baby.
Yeah. Oh goodness, Mom.
That's my bunny.
Okay.
My bunny's eyes are a little, you know. I'm just putting some jelly beans around my bunny because it's Easter time. That's the way we do it at Easter.
Is this your finished result?
This is my finished result. This is my scary Easter bunny cake, but it's mine and I love it. It's cute.
It's beautiful. I call her two-legged hopper.
Because I forgot the back
She's
legs.
hopping real strong,
So
like
you remember-
2 feet.
Real strong.
She's got beady, beautiful little purple eyes.
Yes, she does.
A fresh, fluffy red nose to breathe and cute little ears and a gumdrop button on the back of her ear.
We love her.
We love her.
Her eyeball's falling out.
Uh-oh. Well, she's been through life. It's hard out here. So, if you would like to see Mommy do more of my cakes, make sure to like the video and comment down below and tell us what you thought of this one.
Stay safe. Wash your hands.
And subscribe.
Keep that isolation going.
Keep it going.
Next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.